Guys, it's Talking Topic, and today me and my sister are making slime.
Actually, I'm just making slime, but like he's just putting together slime but he's well, anyway, I'm gonna go over your supplies that you will need. You'll need Elmer's glue. It doesn't matter if it's clear or just white, but I would prefer white slime. I mean white glue. And then you can have food coloring. My purple, I think, is in the kitchen.
But we're using green.
Yes. So yeah, I previously did make a food slime at my house in the dark. So, but we're also gonna need activator, which is technically laundry detergent right here. You can put it in a bag and then dump it on. And so I think that is all we need. So yeah, let's get started. First, you're gonna need your glue. So you're gonna open it. Just like open it. If you don't like, just take it off, and then you're gonna pour about that in the glue. Well, it depends on how big you want the slime, which I don't want to make it too big of a slime setup.
Yeah.
Now you're going to need your food coloring, and like I said, we're going to use green. So I'm going to do about 2 drips and then add more as I go. Well, then I'm going to take, oh yes, you will need a straw, or like a spoon to mix it with, but like that's not something too big, so I don't like.
Yeah, just something long or thin to
mix it with. Well, anyway, you're going to mix your food coloring. Listen, you want me to make a dark green? Well, you're just going to keep mixing it. And then as you go, it doesn't have to be perfect already. But now you're going to use your activator. And then you're going to dump some of that in, just about that much so far. And you'll add more. And then you're just going to mix that along with it.
Caroline, is this supposed to be so clumpy?
Actually, yes, it is after you use your activator. But I think I need to make it darker, so I'm going to add some food coloring. But yes, it is supposed to be this clumpy so far. That's technically how it's supposed to be, yeah. And then you're going to start playing with it like that, but you don't want to take it out if that's going to be really, really sticky for you. Now I'm going to add some activator too, and yeah. Oh, wait, what?
I think you zipped it shut.
No, I didn't. I just tilted it the wrong way. Dude's not coming out. Gotta hold it.
It is. You just gotta.
There we go. That's enough.
You got some on the table.
It doesn't matter. I'm cleaning it up later. Well, anyway, I'm gonna mix these together, and it's looking really good. And if it gets too sticky and too clumpy, then you can get more glue, but mine is like the complete opposite.
Is it like almost done?
Yeah. As you can see.
This is a really short video.
Yeah. Well, then you can like start playing with it. It's gonna be kind of messy. I mean, it does have glue in it. So.
It kind of looks like barf.
Yeah. Slimy barf. But yeah, you're gonna start playing. And then sometimes you're going to have to wash your hands. But yeah. Okay, pause.
Yeah.
Weston's going to add some activator, but he's recording, as you can see. So he's going to have to put the phone down and add some activator.
Okay, we added the activator.
And it's all good. Weston's scared of the bag now.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You just said that you were. Now he's embarrassed.
I'm not scared of the bag. I'm scared of the slime because of how gross it
Then
is.
why did you want me to make a slime channel?
Because that's what everyone wants.
Okay, fine.
Gotta do what the subs want.
That was only what Victoria wanted. Well, this is like a really small slime, but I am going to mix it with that slime over there.
And we're also shouting out to Victoria's channel.
And Donut Touch My Squishy, which is Ivy's, which is their friend.
So, by the way, during the video, please like and subscribe if this slime really works. And
This slime does work.
please comment down below what you want to see. And remember, press the subscribe button, and then press the bell, ring it, choose whatever type you want. All, usual, or never. I think they shouldn't have added never. But, yeah. And that's pretty much our slime.
Yeah.
I'll get you playing with it.
Are you ready?
Oh no, Mom, you're on camera. Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! No! Don't do it!
Push stop.
Okay, can you live?
This is how my slime turned out. It's really like green, but I am going to add it to this slime right here that I made earlier. And you can make another slime and just make it thicker, and then you can add them together.
I think that slime is a little small.
Yeah,
so
it is
for
really
you,
small.
oh, you didn't use all of it though.
I know, I'm going to add that later.
But
now, maybe in a few days.
Yeah, I would personally. I think you should add more glue to get slime that you would see on YouTube.
I'm about to.
Yeah.
This is our last container of glue. Dang it. And just so you know, whenever you play with slime, you have to play with it fast or it's going to be really sticky.
Yeah, you don't want to get your hands too stuck in it. And I think that's going to be called video. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and remember, peace out.